The original SUDSKI from 30 watt. No suction cups, adhesives or wall mounts are needed. Won't leave any residue behind, either. The Silicone Sudski grips securely to glossy surfaces like glass, mirror, marble, metal, shiny tile and laminate using a patented grip technology. That's right, patented. Installation is as easy as washing your front parts. Remove protective film from back and mount it onto a dry surface, smooth out the air bubbles, wait 24 hours, and then you're ready to get the shower party started. Reapply to suit your moods. Moving your Sudski is just as easy. Simply peel it off the wall and stick it where it feels right. You will have to wait another 24 hours though, so be sure to time it right. Designed by brainy engineers, revolutionary drainage system utilizes holes on the bottom to keep your Sudski from filling with water. That's why they make the big bucks. The gift that keeps on giving, an incredibly thoughtful choice for the beer drinker in your life. They'll be thinking of you nearly every time they're drinking beer soaking wet and naked. Top reviews from the United States. Works as described. A fun, yet useful gag gift. I had no problems with mine sticking, but the recipient had to try a couple times and suffered a few fallen soldiers. I ordered the standard size, which obviously fits a slim can as well. It also fits a phone, for the rare occasion one doesn't have a shower beverage.